So I'm back with another free app, and this one is for my privacy-focused folks, all right? This one is called CarrierPony. We're gonna jump right into it. So CarrierPony is a messaging app, right? And the point of it is for you to have relay messaging that's end-to-end encrypted using PGP technology, all right? So if you know what PGP encryption is, then you know that, it gives you that really long string. You got to send it through an email, blah, blah, blah. This kind of tries to, make that a little more streamlined through an app, right? So the app's available on your iPhone or an Android device. And so we're just going to jump right into it. As you can see, private messaging, file transfer, end-to-end encrypted, signed and yours, right? We want English, end-to-end encrypted. Only you and the people you pair with can read your messages and open your files. Swap an invite in person or over any channel you trust. A safety number confirms it's really them. The relay knows nothing. Our servers only forward sealed envelopes. No names, no message contents, no plain text. All right, so what's your identity? Let's just go, we're gonna go tags, create identity. Your identity is ready, right? You can also import one. So if I go back, oh, it already got me in. If I go back, I could have imported my PGP key and then have my identity be that, right? So back up your identity. If you use a device, a backup file is the only way to restore your identity. It's protected by a passphrase. We're gonna skip that one. Connect with someone. Pair now by swapping an invite or do it anytime from in the app. Okay, continue. Enter CarrierPony. All right, so now I've got my computer here, and I'm gonna go through the same process, English, continue, import a key. So this time we're gonna import a key, right? Paste an open PGP private key or import it from a file. Your key stays on this device. If it's passphrase protected, it stays protected and unlocks with Face ID. Import key. All right, your identity is ready. I don't want to back up, continue, pair now. So I'm going to click pair now, scan a code. All right, so my code is now shown, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the camera. I'm going to scan it on the webcam. QR code isn't a valid CarrierPony key or its fingerprint doesn't match its key. What are we talking about? Scan a code. Show my code. All right. Let me try and scan it from this side then. Let me try and scan it from my phone. Scan the code, allow. Dogs, focus up. Okay, we're now in your contacts. Start a message from the compose button. All right, so that worked on that end. That's interesting. All right, so let's start a message. New message, and you see it says files, so apparently we could send files too. So this will be interesting. New message to 7B05375E. What's up? Did you get how's it going? What's the plans for the weekend? All right. I wish I knew how to go back on this joint. Oh, there it is. Continue. Enter CarrierPony. Boom, I sent the message. Let's see how long it takes. I'm thinking we should hit the bar tomorrow night. Let's see what happens. And I'll tell you right now, I don't have a message from it. I'll try again too. I'll even go ahead, pair with someone, show my code. I'll do show my code twice. All right, new message or settings, pair with someone, scan a code. I'll do it twice. Tags ECC is now contacts verified. Start a message. Okay, so this was a total different person. And then you can see here, I'm paired with somebody. So I don't know what happened at the beginning. Name this contact tags test. Test contact. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. Verify with safety number. It's verified. Boom. Done. Okay, now the message came in. I'm thinking we should hit the bar tomorrow night. All right, let's see how fast. That sounds like a plan. Where you want to go? Enter. Wow, that came in pretty instantly. Sounds like a plan. Where you want to go? It's up to you. Can't call it. There's this new spot out Noma. We can check out. We could check out. Boom. There's this new spot in Noma we could check out. Pops up pretty instantly. I like that. So now we could add files. Let's add a file. Hey, look at this. Take a look at this. Boom, file just came to me. Take a look at this. All right, I wonder if I could just right click reply. I can't. All right, so this is pretty cool. You know, now if I go to the files section here, it clearly shows there, and I could save to my files or I can continue to share it. Can I see it? I can't see it. I got to download it to see it. That's all right. I think that's pretty cool. And this is called CarrierPony. Again, this is for people who's into PGP messaging. This is going to be a very useful tool. It's very niche. That's why I said this is specifically for my privacy-focused folk. It's a very niche app. But again, it's completely free. No in-app purchases and no ads. It's just set it up. You're good to go. As you see, I had my own PGP, my actual PGP added to there. And I also have, you know, one that they created for me that I can back up if I'd like, right? And make sure that I keep that identity. So I think this is pretty cool. What's one of your favorite PGP apps to use or privacy-focused apps to use? Let me know in the comments which one you find that you use pretty often. I will say that these developers have a unique set of apps that I will be going over in the next couple days, so stay on the lookout for that. All right, till next time, peace.